channel, and if you're newer, hi. As you can tell, this needs a lot of work. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna be cleaning slash decluttering slash reorganizing my closet, and it needs a lot of work. So let's do this. First thing what I'm gonna do is just throw everything on here. Can you believe I always say I have nothing to wear? Alright, so I feel like I need a system before I do anything else. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna go on vacation in like a week or so. So everything that I want to wear for vacation, I'm gonna throw in my laundry basket. And anything that I do not like or haven't used in like forever, I'm just gonna throw in the corner on the ground and see what I'll do with it later. Have not used this ever. I love it, but I've never used it. But I'm gonna keep on for it for now to see what I'm gonna do with it eventually. Same. Alright. I'm probably gonna wear this for vacation. I barely wear this, so this is gonna go out. I'm gonna wear this for vacation. This is gonna go over here. I can take this with me. Oh, this one's definitely going. So I'm gonna go to an island. And this one's just gonna go where it's supposedly pretty hot compared to what it is over here. So that gives me an excuse to wear dresses. So yeah, vacation. I'll take this with me as well. Alright, so this one's definitely coming with me too. For a dinner date, when you want to be sexy but still fancy. This one goes over here for now. I have with me a little ladder because this small girl, why is this in my closet? Like, why? This can stay though, that smells good. Alright, so what we're gonna do is create more space on my hind. Maybe I could use this to... That worked. Alright, so now that I've redone that, so that I can reach it a little bit better since I am not a tall bitch. Okay, so I want to start by just putting my gigantic sweaters at the bottom because there's more space and just because why not? I love this one because it has little ears. What am I, 15? No, 22. I am not the best laundry folder in the world, but I try. I almost forgot I had this thing. See, and that's why decluttering your closet is pretty important once in a while because you'll find things you forgot you had. At least that goes for me. Oh yes, this dress, yes, definitely coming with me on vacation. Nice sweater I got from my grandma. This one's definitely going with me on vacation because then I finally have a reason to wear it. Woo! And my boyfriend cannot lose me because that color, ooh. Okay, so next to my sweaters at the bottom, I want to put my sweatpants next to it. And this one has a gigantic hole in the butt, but it was expensive, so I want to fix it. So it's still going in the closet. I love this sweater. When I'm in like the go fuck yourself mood. Yeah. Alright, so I also have like thinner sweaters and crop sweaters. Those are gonna go with my t-shirts because, I don't know, in my head that makes sense. This belt I've never worn, so goodbye. A bitch to fold, but it's cute. Dun dun dun! Yeah. I love this thing, but why do I never wear it? Because it's not that comfortable. Like, it's with a choker And I do not like being choked all the time. That sounded so weird. Okay, so also in my head, it makes sense for me to put the cuter stuff on top now because then I will see it easier, faster. I don't know. Like, I feel like jeans should just be on top because, I don't know, they're not the prettiest to look at, so I'm just gonna put those on top, even though last time I did my closet, I put them at the bottom because, like, in my head, like a full body organization. Alright, sports leggings next to my sweatpants. I have like a little basket for my socks so that I have them all together. I'm gonna go with the jackets for now. Oh, these shorts are coming with me on a vacation. So are these.
So are these. So are these.
It's going fast. Same. Most definitely. So if you're watching this and you are thinking about decluttering your closet, or you already have, how do you do it? Like, do you do tops, pants, you know, like from head to top? Or are you like me and just whatever you feel like? Let me know in the comments down below because I'm pretty curious. You know what? I'm just gonna put them in my closet, and the next time I'm decluttering, if I haven't worn them yet, I'm gonna throw them out. This is the most definitely go bag. I'm gonna go over here. I like to use my little tops for underneath, so this one's gonna stay. We're gonna put these next to my cute crop sweater stuff. So before starting this video, I wanted to turn on the TV, but I've lost the remote control. Alright. Yes or no to this skirt? Should I keep it? Because it's really short, but like, it's cute. Putting that in the I still don't know what the fuck to do with it pile. Putting this in the I don't hate it, but I'm not gonna wear it for normal clothes, but for workout clothes pile. My t-shirts are gonna go on the here. And my crop tops are gonna go next to that, next to my normal tops. Woo! Why is everything inside out? Okay, so I'm gonna be moving my crop tops because I have crop tops like this, like some fabric. There's actually fabric on there, and then I have crop tops that are barely the amount of fabric like a bra. So crop tops are gonna go up here so that I have two piles to choose from: fabric and no fabric. Oh, now that I move my crop tops, I actually have space next to my normal shirts for my workout shirts. This is like an in-between for like, I can wear this for working out, but also to work. So let's just put this in the normal pile. And then I have stuff like this coming through, and I'm like, where do I put this? Most definitely keeping and going with me on vacation. Like, I don't even know how to show you this, but it's cute. Skirt coming with me on vacation, and where would I even put this? I don't know yet. Okay, so for all my really nice dresses, I want to hang them up on a hanger because I have a hanging side, so that's what I'm gonna do. I do not want to fold them up. I've bought this once, but I've never worn this, so this is gonna go. Like, I hate saying goodbye, but I've never worn it, so it just needs to go. Here's my sock that I lost. Wine. The answer is wine. I feel like I should also take at least one pair of pants with me on vacation. So I got this t-shirt from Greece. Will I take this with me on vacation? Probably, but let's put it under the jeans and above like the shirts, like crop tops. I feel like that's probably a good spot.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. It's fantastic, made of plastic.
Going with me on vacation, and so is this little crop top thingy. So this is a sport shirt I've never worn, so this is gonna go. Little sweater. If you see my Instagram, that's what it is today. It's so depressing out there. Why the fuck did I leave this remote control, man? How can one lose a remote control while staying in the room? I don't understand. Wait, I feel something. Woohoo! I can finally put on music. Living for the weekend. Okay, so I've decided to the spaghetti tops that are cute to put next to my cute little almost no fabric crop tops. Backwards. I'm a Gryffindor for life. This one's going out. I DIY'd this and I'm keeping it. Alright, so I have a shitload of stuff in my maybe vacation pile just for myself to like know what I have. But I'm gonna put it in a closet also. So that's gonna take forever. I don't care if it's something fake. If I like it, I like it.
Walk away? You know how.
Now we have to find a place for this. All the dresses I'm gonna hang up because that just makes sense to me to hang up my beautiful dresses. I like to turn a piece around the hook so it can't fall off. So yeah, since I don't have enough hangers for everything, I'm gonna put stuff up together. Maybe someday I will be color coordinated, but today is not today. Like, how do you hang stuff like this? Something like this? I have my pants and my pajama shorts, then I have my skirts and my actual normal shorts. Then I have my shirts, crop tops and all that, my sweaters and other shirts, more shirts. And my sweaters and my sweats, and then all my shoes are up here and my socks. Alright, so my battery died, so that's why it's a lot later and I look pretty rough because I just came from outside. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not already, and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you and hope to see you next time. Bye!